In a sunny farm lived a little chicken named Chicken Little. She was known for her bright feathers and her curious nature. One day, while playing under a big oak tree, a tiny acorn fell right on her head. "Oh my!" cried Chicken Little, startled. "The sky is falling! The sky is falling!" She rushed to tell the farm animals, but they laughed and said, "It's just an acorn, Chicken Little." But Chicken Little was determined. She decided to find out if the sky was truly falling. She met a wise old owl on her way, who asked, "Why so troubled, little chicken?" "The sky is falling," Chicken Little said, showing her panic. The wise old owl smiled and said, "Let me guide you, but remember, fear can be misleading." Following the owl, Chicken Little journeyed through the forest, meeting various animals along the way. A squirrel said, "The sky is up there, Chicken Little. You can't pick it up like an acorn." A rabbit added, "And even if it were falling, it wouldn't hurt us." Chicken Little began to feel a little silly. She realized her fear had made her forget common sense. When she returned home, the farm animals welcomed her back, a little wiser than before. From that day forward, Chicken Little was not so quick to panic. She learned that sometimes things aren't as they seem, and it's important to think before you react. And so, she lived happily ever after, learning from her adventure. Now, whenever she heard a noise, she would pause, think, and remember the wise old owl's words. Fear can be misleading. And Chicken Little, with her newfound wisdom, lived a peaceful and fulfilling life on the sunny farm. Good night, dear children, and remember, don't let fear cloud your judgment.